Hi all, welcome to Kimola Cognitive. I wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to talk about the most unique features of Kimola Cognitive in a couple of minutes. So let's jump into the cognitive dashboard here, okay? Great. So here is the main page of Kimola Cognitive, and there's this left menu, and there's this gallery full of pre-built models that I'm also going to talk about. There is this huge space for you to upload any text data of yours. And there are resources, there's support articles that we have written before, and there are data sets and our browser extension. So one of the most unique things of Kimola is our browser extension, because you don't need a scraper to grab data from different mediums, such as YouTube, such as Appsumo.com or Capterra. We are always publishing different mediums that we support, and you can find them on our GitHub profile. So the data sets are actually the training sets and the data sets that you can work. They are cleaned by our data analysts so that you can see the talents of Kimola Cognitive. On the top of the page, you can see our gallery. It's called Kimola Cognitive Gallery, and you can just click here and see all of the pre-built models that we have created before. So pre-built models are available for all plans, all packages at Kimola once you buy it. And you can see which models that you can just choose one of the models here or two of the models here to use. And I'm going to talk about this one later with a detailed video. So let's go back to home and let's upload one data set to here. So the second feature that I would like to talk about is text analysis feature. It means that you don't need any machine learning models to upload your data set or to analyze your text. Okay, so here are some consumer feedbacks of banking clients. As you can see, there are nothing else but just content. So I'm just going to drag and drop this to my homepage. And here comes the onboarding part. So the system wants you to choose the text column first because it needs the column to analyze. So you can just click on continue and then it detects the language as it's English. And if it's not true, then you can choose one of the supported languages here. So using text analysis feature is actually great because it means that you can just extract and understand the mentions about organizations, the people, the locations that are mentioned in the text data. So you can choose one of your models or the models from the gallery. The models part is your custom models that you have trained our AI before. So you can use one of them. Or you can just jump into our gallery and let's say you can use one of those models that we have created for all users of Kimola Cognitive before. So I want to actually classify my data with sentiment. And also, as you remember, we have chosen a banking consumer conversations before. So I'm also going to choose a banking conversations classifier here. So you can choose many different models, but just please be sure that your data set and your classifier are on the same topic, because we want our data set to be analyzed by those classifiers, right? So I just press continue and I'm just going to write my title, my banking conversations. Yes, and please remember to just check the data set that you have uploaded before when you're using our text analysis feature and the machine learning models here. So you can just go back and change the machine learning models that you want to analyze. And here are the queries that we're going to spend. And I press create report, and now our little monster here is going to analyze all the data here and create my report. I can close this section and go to reports page to view my report, or I can just wait. So I'm going to choose to wait here. Yes, here it's ready. So I'm just going to click view report. And here is our report page. So on the top of the screen, you can see our technology, which is called named entity recognition. It's basically a word cloud with a filter. So you can just choose from one of the popular topics here and click on it so that you can filter and see what is going on about the service, what people are thinking about the service. And you can just click on it again. So you don't have to delete anything else. And on the right side, here are the classifiers that we have chosen before. As you remember, we have chosen sentiment classifier and banking conversations classifier. So each of those labels are actually our filters now. So let me see if I press this, credit cards, and bank loans, then the data here is going to change, and also the popular topics in here are going to change. So click it afterwards if you want to clean it. And let's see, I want to see the negative ones. And then I want to see the negative ones about customer service. Here you go. So this is the report section, and you can also reach out to your reports from here, from the reports page. And you can view, download, and delete your reports. So this was the text analysis feature, and we have also used two different pre-built machine learning models from Kimola Cognitive Gallery, and we also use the text analysis feature. Yes, that was it.